He would. He would have. He would. He would have been a good man.
Sorry.
There it is. I know you. You're the misfit. I've seen you. You're the misfit. Oh, he's a good man.
All good things must come to an end.
Okay.
Grandma.
Yes, Sonny.
We're
Hi. I'll be ready. Don't you worry.
All right.
I'll be ready. No, Kitty. Kitty, come back. Come back up here, Kitty. Honey, I'm home.
You are a man!
Hey, Danielle. It's your sister.
What's
I just wanted to let you know that your husband died. So,
What?
yeah.
Action.
Samantha, come on in.
I just quit. I quit.